All right, good morning, you guys. So I'm by myself for a few. Tom's running errand. He'll be back here shortly. But I'm trying to do the camera and get the water in here as well. So we're doing our flood test right now. And we've already got water in here. I'm going to put some more. I just wanted you to see. There we go. Bear with me here, y'all. There we go. All right. That's our 10th gallon. So we got 10 gallons in here. We're good. We're just going to sit here right now. Water's moving. I'm going to go get my little duckies real quick. Put them in here. Once this water sits still, put those ducks in here. Those ducks will sit still. So we'll make a mark on the wall. We're going to use a tape measure. Make sure everything's good. But, no worries. Just another day at the office. All right, you guys. There we go. So I got Mama Duck in there, and Mama Duck wanted some company, so we got a little baby duck over there. We're going to let all this sit here. It's about 7:10 in the morning, so we're going to be working here all day, and we'll go ahead and drain all this probably about 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. So more than enough time, 10, 11-hour water test. A lot of times we leave them till the next day. Today's Friday, though, so we won't be back here till Monday. So we did it this morning, and we're going to let it sit all day until we go home about 4 or 5 this evening. So we'll keep you posted. We're going to go ahead and get all the drywall work finished out. Get everything done over here from our repairs, moving the electric. And we're going to be in good shape. All right, y'all. Yep, there it is right there, Tom. You see our little miniature tornado? Oh, yeah. Water's sucking like a champ. So there it is, and look, instantly. Take that phone for me, brother. Now look, let that drain just a smidge more. You can still hear it. But I just want to show you. So the mat, look at that. Look in the corners. Nothing. It's damp, obviously. There was water flooding in here like a pool, but nothing. Nothing everywhere. That's what you want. So it's a huge success. There it is. All right, you guys. So that was Friday's clip. We were done with the flood test and everything. We came in here. Today's Monday, and we moved right into the shower floor tile, which we knew was rock on the front side, so we were already prepared to take them all off the sheet, lay them one by one. It's really no big deal. And, a lot of people will take a couple off, like a row of 2, and then just kind of fill that joint in. And however you do it to hide your sheets. We like taking them off one by one. We're not worried about time or anything like that. It's all figured on the front side, so it's just one more part to the equation. But anyway, we got all that wrapped up today. Plus, we got about 3 or 4 doors hung, so we're in pretty good shape. Check it out. So there it is. One by one. Like I said, it's not that bad. You know, we've done a gazillion of these one by one. It's not bad at all. So there's our drain. Everything's sitting real pretty, nice and tight. And then everything all the way around. All right, you guys, well, that's it for the day. We'll see y'all back real soon. Tomorrow, we're going on with the walls, and you know, Tom made a lot of progress here in the other room. He's got 4 of these doors up, trimmed out, the whole 9. So we're in good shape. See y'all back on the next one.